What is up, everyone? Thank you so much for joining me on the channel. So you're here because you want to learn how to farm, how to yield farm YFV. So this video is made to make the whole process clear so that you can start farming right away. So if you're already watching this video, I'm going to assume that you're already familiar with interacting with Web3, whether it's MetaMask or anything like that. And if you're not familiar with Web3, I strongly suggest you stay away from yield farming until you know what's going on behind the scenes, okay? And if you already have a Web3 wallet, stay to the end of this video and you'll know exactly what you need to do to get started. So let's jump right in. So I'll jump straight into the good part. So this is YFVFinance's website, and you should already have some Ethereum or any of the tokens listed on this list in your wallet. It could be Balancer, YFV, even these stable coins, anything on the list, right? As you can see here, I'm already staking some Wrap Ether, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this process with Wrap Ether, the way that I did it. So feel free to go to Uniswap or Balancer to swap for the other tokens if you prefer to be exposed to something other than Ethereum, right? So the prerequisites for you to get started is, number one, you need to have some ETH for gas. And for wrapping your non-ERC tokens, there will be a few contracts that you have to sign off and pay an upfront fee. But if you're putting in a significant sum, it probably shouldn't matter to you. And the second prerequisite is that you need to have a Web3 wallet. And I use MetaMask, as you can see here, such a lovely fox, right? And so before we move into the first step, you realize that you need to stake Balancer pool tokens, or BPTs for short. So I'm just going to show you an example here. You have to stake these BPTs. You can't just stake YFVs or Wrap Ether right away. So I want you to head on right away to Balancer, pools.balancer.exchange, and get started by connecting your wallet. Mine's already connected. And look at the pool that you want to participate in. If you want to participate in the Wrap BTC or REN BTC pool, you're going to have to switch some of your Ethers to these tokens, and you can do that with Uniswap or Mooniswap, anything really. So yeah, the next thing is, like for me, I'm just going to show you in Wrap Ether format, right? So what I want you to do right away is to click on Add Liquidity once you get here. And you probably won't see this yet if you've never interacted with Balancer before. You're going to have to sign a contract, like pay a bit of gas fees just to get this sorted. And this is where you will deposit your Wrap Ether. And this is actually YFV. It's not a whitelisted coin yet, but based on my experience, I believe that YFV their code is safe and it doesn't have any malicious code written in it. So that's why I'm putting my money in, right? So as you can see here at the bottom left, this is where you can change your Ethereum and wrap it up into Wrap Ether. And the reason for this process is because Ethereum is not an ERC token, so you can't really interact with the rest of the Ethereum blockchain. That's why you need to wrap it up into an ERC token. And I'm just going to show you an example. I'm not going to actually do it because I want to keep these for fees. And you'll be asked, okay, you have to pay $1 to wrap it up into Wrap Ether. And once you do this, once you confirm this, you will see that you have a Wrap Ether balance. And go back to this Add Liquidity button and just deposit however much ETH you want. And what you will get in return are the Balancer pool tokens to this specific pool, okay? So it will show up on your Web3 wallet right away. Once you've done it, I don't have any anymore because I'm already staking it on YFV. So once this is done, you've got your GPT tokens. Go back to YFV sign into your wallet, authenticate your wallet, and all you have to do is click this button, put it to the max, and start staking. And so I just started staking in YFV yesterday, and the APY was at about 700 or something, and it's dropped quite significantly. And as you can see, I've made, in less than 24 hours, 15.5 YFVs. So if you multiply that, I'm getting pretty much $300 a day for now. So yeah, that's the end of this video, and I hope that this video has helped you understand what's going on and how to get started with yield farming YFVs. So I hope that this video was helpful, and remember, don't put in more money than you can lose. And I'm by no means a financial advisor. This is just to guide people who might not be so familiar with the whole YFV UI to be able to stake it very, very quickly. And this is one of the simplest ways to do it. So I hope that this video has helped you. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. And if we get, I don't know, more than 1,000 likes or something, I'll probably create another video on other yield farming protocols. Okay? So yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye.